Welcome back to my Mixology channel. You know me, Mixology 640, and today we're gonna make a rum sour with a twist. So when I say twist, you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so right here, right now, let's get right into it. So right here, we got some nice, as you can see, at home, you can use your hand. COVID is going on, you gotta wash your hand. If you're in the bar, if you're a bartender, you know what I mean? Make it nice and sexy, just like this in the glass. Boom. Okay? It's gonna be poured over ice. Very easy to make, you know? Very affordable. And we're gonna go right here, right now. We're gonna get a rum. And we're gonna put a ounce of rum, just like this, inside the glass. Okay? And then we're gonna go, this is our simple syrup. Very easy, guys. It's just sugar and water. That's what it is. That's what it's called, simple syrup. Sugar, water. We're gonna put a half ounce inside, just like this. Nice and easy, fast drink. 1, 2, 3, come from work, feeling thirsty and tired. Let's go in the fridge, take it. Before I put inside, this is lemon. Fresh lemon squeeze, just like this inside. You see that? Look at this. Okay? That's what it is. What we're gonna do right here, right now, we're gonna go. What we're doing right now, we're mixing everything together. Okay? Taste it. Oh my gosh, this is good stuff. Right here we got red wine. So what we're gonna do with red wine, we're gonna pour a ounce of red wine right here. And then we're gonna pour it just like this inside. See exactly what I'm doing? See exactly what I'm doing? Making a mess, but it's all good, don't worry about it. Did you see that? Okay, so as I said, this is a rum twist. As you can see, I put garnish in a lot of my cocktails, right? But this don't need a garnish. You don't need to hide the beauty of it. This is what the garnish is. You see the garnish is what it is. So, Mixology 640, just follow me. And next time, we got some more beautiful video coming up for you. Enjoy. Listen, I'm out. Have a blessed day. Thank you.